Hey, what's up everybody? Mr. Buzz is checking in, and first of all I want to thank everybody for tuning in to the recent videos lately. Just know that there's more to come. If you've learned anything, if you picked up on anything, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button so you know when the fresh videos are dropping. Today I'm going to show you how to put together the Summer Waves pool. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do this. It might be a voiceover, it might just pop in and out. But yeah, it's not too hard to put together. You know, I've already put it together if you've watched the previous videos. So yeah, I'm going to go step by step on how to do this. Alright, so this is the Summer Waves Elite Frame pool. It's 14 feet by 42 inches. It's a pretty good pool. We've already had it. Just have to take it back because I had some problems setting it up the first time. But this, I actually made a mistake the first time. It was a careless mistake. It was a mistake on my part, but we were able to take that one back and get another one. So the Summer Waves Elite Frame pool, it comes with 2-in-1 filter pump, a Type-C filter cartridge, a ladder that helps you get in and out the pool, and a pool cover. So all that is helpful. It saves you money on that, and all that is included in the price of the pool. It has some strong bars. They are ultra strong frame tubes. The actual frame of the pool, the 3-ply tough mesh material. The actual inside of the pool is very stylish. It's a nice blue color. It gives you a nice Florida vibe, Miami vibe, Caribbean vibe. It's beautiful. The actual pool inside itself is actually beautiful, and it's tough. So I'm about to put this thing together. I already have my pieces, my parts laid out. These are going to be your horizontal beams and your vertical legs at the end of the same box. You have your end caps. These are going to be at the bottom of your vertical legs. These are going to be your T-links. These are going to connect your horizontal beams. And if you can't see, the vertical legs, those are the vertical legs, are actually inside of your horizontal beams. So don't get the box in just because you see just these legs here and they're all the same. Just don't think you're missing pieces. They're inside the horizontal beams. This box here, you have your filter pump, and the filter pump is already assembled. You just have to put that on the side of the pool. And this here is going to be my pool liner. Comes in this box. Make sure when you open this box not to puncture it. It's going to be a pool liner, and they actually suggest to lay this out 2 hours before you actually assemble it. Make sure you check this for any tears, any holes in the bottom of this, because if there is, you're pretty much wasting your time setting all this up. Actually, the very first step, you want to make sure it's level first. You see I have my leveler out there. I already leveled the ground. The first mistake, I made a mistake. Just like you just don't think you can just buy this thing, go home and set it up and swim, because it's going to be unlevel. And leveling is important because you don't want to get out here and have your pool collapse on you. If it's more than 2 inches out of unlevel, by more than 2 inches, then you're at risk of the pool collapsing and people getting injured and property damage possibly. So first, make sure it's level. Check to make sure there's no holes in your liner. And yeah, now I'm about to set this up. The first step is, well, first I like to take all my pieces out, make sure I have everything. You should have 14 legs, 14 horizontal beams, 14 end caps for your vertical legs, and 14 T-link connections. Now there is a special